Oh, bendito, bendito, bendito.
Turn this off.
Huh?
Turn it off.
What the fuck? A plane just crashed on the fucking highway in front of us?
I got my GoPro.
Go get it. Go get it. Here, hold this. Hold this.
I'm getting out. Holy shit! Did you see it? You didn't see it? I saw it coming.
God, get away from that, man. Get away from that.
Dude, as soon as it hit, it just blew. Holy shit.
That shit's about to blow.
No, it blew up once it hit. Holy shit.
Yeah, I'm coming on.
Coming, bro.